Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm going to show you how to install MynaUI icons in your React projects and how to use them. So yeah, let's get started. So if you have a React project, you can just click on this link and it opens a npm.js package file. So you can just install it using this npm install MynaUI/icons React, or one installer yarn add anything, and you can use it with import from the icon name from the package and just use it in your app like this. So yeah, let's just try it out. I'm trying it in this website which I'm running in localhost. I'm just going to change the settings because I don't like this settings icon. I'm gonna add MynaUI icons. These are like lucid icons that comes with Shatsy anyway, so I'm gonna use Shatsy anyway to add MynaUI icons, and I'm gonna add a specific settings icon from here. So I'm gonna click on the Shatsy anyway thing. This opens up this one. So npx Shatsy and latest add Shatsy.json. So let me just open this up here. Let me open up my terminal. Perfect, and I'm gonna run that over here. Let's see what happens. Yes, so it's installing right now. Checking registry, installing dependencies. Oh, I think that's done. Yeah, perfect. So if you go to packages on, it will be right here. Okay, so added MynaUI. This is similar to npm installing, but as we have Shatsy, we can just use that Shatsy wizard to install it. Perfect. So let's go to the settings section, or rather sidebar section. Nope, app sidebar. Perfect. Okay, so we have the nav main here, and inside that I have item.icon, which comes from way over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna change that to something like this one, cog4, or maybe even config, but yeah, let's see how cog4 works. Okay, so I have to import it from my icons at the top. I'll just start it here, and I'll add cog4 way over here. Perfect. Let's see how that works. Okay, yeah, that's done. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So we have the, let's change this to config. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I like this better. What other settings I have? Cog3 maybe. How does this look? I think that's too much. I think this is perfect. Maybe cog2 also can try. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, and that's it. You can just go and add that icon, install MynaUI icons from Shatsy anyway, or even React library, or even Iconify. It's like a collection of all the icons package. So you have like lots of icon package and MynaUI icons. So it's simple to install, and you'll have not only MynaUI icons, you have like loads of things. So yeah, that's it. So I'll leave the link in the description, and you can just install it and see for yourself. It's free, it's open source, and yeah, let me know if it works, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.